Your YouTube, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Beto coming at you with another Chainsaw Man reaction video. Let me stop myself real quick before anything starts. I got my braces taken out today, literally, and I got retainers now, so my voice is gonna be a little bit different. I gotta get used to it. I'm gonna have a lisp and all that. I'm gonna be sounding a little bit weird for a little bit until I get used to it, and then because they said 3 to 4 weeks, and well, I can't do much about it. You know what I'm saying? I can't do much about it. I gotta wait out the weeks. Other than that, episode 10, bruised and battered. We remembered last episode, a lot of crazy stuff went down, especially with Makima and all her little maneuvers. You know what I mean? All that literally blew my mind. The way the episode even started, man. I wonder how this one's gonna be, because I don't think Aki's dead, right? He's just chilling there. All the other, damn, wait, hold up. I just remembered. Kenobi pulled up too, right? And she saved Denji. Yeah, she saved Denji. Hold it, it's gonna be a banger. Let's get right into it. The goats are back. Power and Denji confirmed they're here. I'm hoping it ain't a flashback, because if it is, then I'm stopping this for no reason. But they're back. Power came back. Denji's back. He's not cutting half no more. Bam. Good start. Omi looked at the whole basket and was like, yo, I'll give you one. That's all you get. Damn. Only two? Hold up. Did I just ignore the fact that the way that actually looked? That looks so clean. I ain't gonna lie, like the way it just popped up like that. That was clean. All these curses and all that people be having is just interesting. Like I'm actually wondering what other type of curses they would have, or like agreements or deals. I think they're deals, right? Some of them had some have deals. I think. I ain't gonna lie, that's an interesting intro. I usually stop and talk about it like every episode. I think I've done that, but this one, Power's back, Denji's back, the new people are here. Aki's a little down. Other than that, the bounce back is gonna be real for them. I feel it. And the gun devil's still out there, so we coming for you too, man. We still coming for you. Hmm. Two different answers. Whichever one's taking care of you. And then, the typical, hey, whoever's winning, I'm on their side. You know what I'm saying? Power, come on, Power. No bandwagon here. Why did it sound like he broke their back? So come on, man. Don't do that to me. Oh, damn. Even worse. Man, just knock them both out?
ちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を折れば動けなくなる。
This man broke their neck? Why?
人間様と違うのは、
血の匂いじゃ。
俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
After being told that, man, oh my god, power.
じゃあ正解だ。
酔ったじじいでも殺しちまったら逮捕だぜ。
デンジ。
Oh. This man is different. And that was literally from one little thing. Damn.
男の方は不死身、魔人の方は半分不死身。とっさに人の頭をぶん殴れる脳みそを持っていて、二人に人権はない。俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。俺がお前たちを最高に生かした奴らにしてやるよ。
Okay, I kind of like this guy now. I see what he's doing.
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？
Amen, Aki. Amen. Why am I gonna quit when when the people I'm going after are still there? You know what I'm saying? W Aki.
そうですか。わかりました。
寝るから帰る。明日家に迎えに行くからな。
また頭が故障しておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ。
Damn, power. Oh, he good.
俺は今日何回殺された。俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいなってよ。
頭脳で
Fight like one of those characters out of a manga. Tell me about it, Denji. Tell me about it, man. I never read the manga, by the way. You know what I'm saying? But I think he goes crazy in the manga too, right? Right? I mean, let me know. Let me know. I didn't read it. I might read it, but I haven't read it.
あいつをぶっ殺すか。
なんか俺。
Damn, we going right in like that?
死の武器か。頭狙ってきやがった。待ち伏せしやがって。今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな。
Oh. That boy quick with it. Homie pulled up, got attacked, beat them, and I'm like, I'm out of here. That man.
もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
Damn.
はい。
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
God damn it. Not gonna lie, I kind of read everything, but it didn't make sense on who wrote it. You know what I mean?
この部屋にいる悪
Unless I'm just extra lost and, you know what I mean? Unless it's just on me.
魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。イルンは未来の悪魔。公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。1人は寿命半分、もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。気に入られれば安く済みますよ。
Oh, damn. Oh, damn. The future devil, huh? Alright, my bad. I had to cut that out. I didn't have my music playing, and then they're doing stuff outside. I don't know if you guys can hear it, if the mic picks it up or nothing. But that whole time, yeah, I mean that doesn't matter. Episode 10, bruised and battered. A lot of stuff went down. It felt like, right? Aki got sent with the other two people going for the future devil, which I ain't gonna lie, that sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. You know what I'm saying? The future devil, and then how he mentioned one gave up half their life and the other one gave up their eyesight, scent, and taste. Right? I mean, Aki got 2 years to live. It's gonna make a deal with him. It's gonna make it's gonna link up with him perfectly because he. I don't know. I'm making a lot of theories here, right? I think the future devil is gonna get linked up with Aki easily, kind of like that in a way. I don't think he's gonna give up too much. Cause that man Aki is strong though. You know what I mean? He is strong, and I'm feeling. Unless he does something with the future stuff with his other power with the nail. I don't know, man. But I don't know if I mentioned Denji and Power are with the other dude, and wow, they were gonna beat up. But I'm not gonna lie, I did think they were gonna win in the battle where he pulled up, right? Well, it wasn't really a battle, but I did think they were gonna do stuff, right? You know, they had the bottles up top. I ain't gonna lie. In my head, the first thing that popped up was like, ain't no way they got bottles up top. They're gonna fight them, go up top, drink the blood, regenerate the health. But it wasn't that. Power did some cool spike stuff, which it didn't work, you know what I mean? And then Denji got knocked out, and then he took a blade to the head. But man, this was a good episode, I'm not gonna lie. But yep, YouTube, thanks for watching it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to share the video, you know what I'm saying? It helps a lot. I really do appreciate it. Any feedback works too, you know. Good, bad, anything helps. You know, anything for me to upgrade or to, you know, I'm gonna just keep up the production on the videos, you know. But yep, YouTube, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces, peace.